Alright, Mr. H, and I have your 3-pill in here. I know you want me to make it a base. I'm not going to give it a clean bill of health. I don't know if you've been in here or not, but yeah. I disagree with a lot of things in here. And for 1x2, 14.5 volts, 1000-watt slug, bottom scale. Hello, audio, goddamn. Now that is sad. About 350, 360 watts. That is sad. Input reflect a little high, but I mean, it's livable. It's a watt. Hello, audio. Oh, it went down. Hello, audio. Nope. About a watt. It's fine. I mean, it can come down lower. Now, we have trimmers on here, which is nasty. Is it? I don't know, dude. I might have to give you a call. There's your output caps right there. Is it sufficient? I don't know. I got 3 of them together, so it probably is. Or that could be the reason for the power problem. Another thing I noticed is this should be 5 turns right here. It's only 3, so that's probably a lot of the problem right there also. And there should be no cap here. That's probably part of the problem. That could determine the input reflect also. I don't know how much value they have here. Should be at 3,000 with Toshiba. I have to take a look. This ain't needed. In a way, possibly is. Let's see what this thing's dead can. Can't nothing. There we go. Let's see, 50 watts. Okay, 50 watts. 3/4 of a watt, almost a watt in. So, yeah, variable's wide open. Yeah, and then this really ain't necessary. These are very low drive amps. Very touchy on the dead key as far as what you put into them. So I don't see any problems with the transformers or anything. It's got the correct 2 turns here, so I see 3 on the input. So yeah, it's rough. With a little bit of tuning and so forth. Of course, with the way the fins are, I'm gonna have to take the thing and put it in sideways, which I don't generally like to do, but hey, it is what it is. Give a lot more room in the cabinet to but yeah, let's see if the variable's working or not. Let's go ahead and put it back in peak. Let me see if the variable's working. Turn the variable all the way back. Hello. Yeah, the variable works very well. Hello. Okay, so the variable works. That's a good thing. I don't know what the value is. I haven't really looked at it that much. All I did was brought it in here, hooked it up, and Shazam. Alright, so I just want to do a pre-video on it so that, like, when I put it in the base cabinet, nobody can say, wow, look at that. I ain't knocking your mess, man. It's just, you know, hey, it works. There's just a couple things, you know. If that was 5 turns, the input profit comes down, take that off. No, this should be 5 turns. It's only 2. This should be 5. This should be 3. And it is. This shouldn't be on there. Ain't no need for feedback. Don't hurt nothing. You got a fixed inductor here, so that's cool. And you got a 100 ohm here. Going to ground. Kind of attenuated so you can at least put that dead key into it. But of course you got this variable which really drops the watts down big time. Almost like a Texas Star modulator. Or any Texas Star. But yeah, so it didn't smoke, which is a good thing. You know, I might want to take this 1/2 watt out of here, put a 1/4 watt in, 10 ohm. Maybe change the feedback here. Of course, we want a metal clad there. Don't get me wrong, this may work forever, but you know, I got some used metal clads here. Let's put one of those on it and get a decent this on. I don't want to reuse that relay, and I don't want to feed it like this anymore either. So I'm gonna have to take a look there, break down some stuff and see what we can do. Maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't. It'll go in the base, but you know, as far as the way the thing's built, I bet if I took that big capacitor off, that thing might not even do 300 watts. I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely not doing like it should for a 3-pill. It should be doing at least 500, I would think, or close to it. It's not way far off, but you know, still 100, 150 more watts. So we can get that back out of it. And I'm kind of looking at these. It almost looks like we may have 61 and 43 here, which it's hard to say, but it's shiny like this one, and this one's a 43. I'm almost positive. They're like a lot of Toshiba bills I've been seeing are 43 and 61, so ain't nothing wrong with that. I like the 43 also. But anyway, all right, man. Let me get up with you and let's see if we can make it happen or not. 73s, everyone. Cell Block 6, Fat Cat Amps, and I'm gone.